And of course, due to urgent work, our Jnaneshwara is not able to attend, our chairman. Sorry for the inconvenience. So, as you are all aware, till we took over the charge, we are continuously conducting the various webinars in that series from July 2021, 2020. So, it is the 65th webinar and also 39th knowledge sharing sessions. So, it is today the webinar is a very interesting webinar and which everyone needs the knowledge of these e-vehicles, because nowadays, now for the last few months, we are seeing there is a tremendous change in the sales of these bikes, particularly even the cars also. Recently, the Ola electric vehicles, so very record break the bookings, and moreover, all of you switch over to the e-vehicles. Even though e-vehicles came more than 1 decade, but still it is not so much popularized now due to various policies of the central government and etc. That is, they are giving the subsidy for the personal loan, and at the same time, the increase in the petroleum prices, so which is more than 100 rupees, even diesel and petrol also. So the e-vehicles plays very important role, and we can expect by next decade almost it takes bigger market in our country. So today I welcome Chappi Venkatesham Gupta, and who is the founder of this Vasi Wheels and the manufacturing of e-vehicles and e-cars and e-autos, e-rickshaw, so many things. And he is kind enough to agree to deliver the webinar on this e-vehicles, future e-vehicles, and also charging session. And of course, the main difficulty is once you are only it is a local transport, it is okay, e-vehicles. So once you are going a little bit more distance, what about the charging? So that is the main criteria. Even though we are getting now e-vehicles, four-wheelers and etc., more than 200 kilometers also per charge, but the cost is so high. HG Motors, which is already invented, 250 kilometers per charge, but still the cost is very high, 25 lakhs, which is not affordable all the people. So in this scenario, even the Ola vehicles now we are getting more than 250 kilometers also the e-charging also you are getting. So and also at the same time, if you are having a plenty of charging stations outside, then it is very easier. And already we got it very few in Hyderabad, in Apsigoda, in LB Nagar, a few places already got it. But still, there is a need to increase much more the charging stations of e-vehicles also. Of course, anyway, the speaker will focus on the theme. So once again, all of you welcome for this today's webinar. And now I request our EC member T. Sanjay and the Chairman Women Empowerment Committee, Sanjay Madam, to introduce our today's speaker, P. Venkatesham Murthy garu.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning to one and all. I take the privilege to introduce today's speaker, Sri P. Venkatesham Garu. Sri P. Venkatesham Garu is Chairman and Project Director, Innovator, Mentor, Research Analyst at Green Seva Foundation. And sir, areas of expertise includes environmental protection, electric vehicles, media technology, CSR, food, health and education, automation and robotics. And research area interest includes Go Green campaign, health, media, technology, electric vehicles, automation and robotics. And about the Green Seva Foundation organization is a voluntary organization since 1994 and conducting various activities related to community development and eco-friendly activities. With the nature-friendly seva they are doing through the organization and help all, serve all. Pan India is the basic motto behind the organization, and they have sponsored and initiated few activities. Indian Millets Association, Go Green TV channel, Go Green TV channel, VBK News, Vasavi Herbals, Vaishya Forum International, AVOPA Forum, NICE Computers Club, Universal Computers Club, Om Peetham, Vasavi Wheels, First EV, and many more various organizations. And tours and seminars, Venkatesham Garu attended national, international seminars, symposiums, guided many projects for the colleges and industries. And awards received are achieved international and national level awards, felicitations, appreciations from various institutions, organizations in different fields. And first time in the world highway project for charging infra with food courts with the self-employment activities supporting through government MOU programs, etc. This is under Go Green activity. And the technologies are initiated and supporting many new technologies through the organization. So with this brief introduction, I'll hand over back to Secretary Sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for your nice introduction. And Venkatesh garu, today very thank you so much for your acceptance for today's webinar with very short notice. And I request to educate our participants regarding these e-vehicles and e-charging points. Thank you, sir. Venkatesh garu, please start over, sir.
వెంకటేష్ సార్ ప్లీజ్ అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ మైక్ సార్.
సార్ దేవరాజ్ ఒకసారి గుర్తు చేయడానికి ఉన్నారు
ఉన్నారు సార్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసింది సారే. సార్ ప్లీజ్ అన్మ్యూట్ సార్. వెంకటేష్ సార్ ప్లీజ్ అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ మైక్.
అరే దేవరాజ్ గుర్తు దేవరాజ్ ఒకసారి సార్ లేరేమో.
సార్ ఉన్నారు సార్ చేస్తున్నారు. నేను కాల్ చేస్తున్నాను, లిఫ్ట్ చేయట్లేదు. అదండి
Venkatesh garu, what happened, sir?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
నౌ యూ ప్రెజెంట్ సార్. ఓకేనా సార్?
It's coming?
Present sir, please present the screen. It is not coming. Share the screen again.
Hello, sir.
Hello
Is
sir.
audible?
Yeah, okay, sir. It's
Yes,
okay,
sir.
sir. Now it's okay. Yeah.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Venkatesh Gupta, representing Green Seva Foundation. First of its kind in the world, we have made one project called a Go Green Eco Project. The project itself is an environmental activity from Green Seva Foundation, where we want to support environmental activity. And I was learning from the past in the college in 1989. I have done my engineering, computer science. So technology was my ambition. Service was a motto. I have taken this part, and things are going well. And it's my experience totally. I am a teacher. I am a learner all the way. But in this field, nobody encourages, even government or individual or any others. But now time has come, technology has come. Let us learn each other, and anything support required also I'm giving to various organizations, various institutions, big corporates, multinational companies also. But for saving environment, now eco-friendly activity, barrel of oil is coming to India and dollars are going internationally outside. So for supporting and maintaining all this, we need for total global warming these electrical vehicles. So we have seen electrical vehicles facing various problems through technologies and also battery technologies, where batteries used to have liquid with acid, and some days the batteries used to fall on the road through vehicles. That also I have seen. And also gel batteries came. Now technology with lithium is going on, where our cell phone technology with batteries are used. So technology is going, lot of things are going in the world, but my intention is to take the support of all institutions, come into one platform and give transfer of technology freely to everybody who is working on this. My intention. Even ISRO people also suggested to give transfer of technology, I have seen, and basically it is also things where largely involvement has been done with various organization institutions, but unable to take the technology. So innovation cells from engineering colleges or technical institutions are also going on in various levels. Things are moving well. After these technologies, again raw material availability, production capacity, sales, design, everything will be considered. So free Vasavis have been designed some of the two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheeler bus, and electrical in domestic and also individual vehicles we have done for corporates also we done as a customers. I can say surely I have done more than 500 models with various designs models as per customer needs. So this made me learn for pollution-free vehicles, making things happen live. So now we have two-wheeler and three-wheeler approved, four-wheeler not is approved. If four-wheeler approves, again, lot of technology, nobody is giving in Indian technology like you take Maruti or Tata or Mahindra, whoever, they are not any Indian technology. They are totally depend upon other international technologies. Why I don't know. Because innovation starts from our house or from home, we can say. If support is given from international or Indian, so subsidies also required. So subsidies also given some of them, and it is not reaching everybody. But now, if you use initiative, I may say that production capacity increases. So everybody uses, everybody have a chance to utilization of saving of funds by fuel saving. Like if you use two-wheeler, the fuel costing about 100 to 200 if you go for 100 kilometers. Whereas our two-wheeler in electrical vehicle, it consumes only half unit to 2 units maximum. It depends upon the motor. Suppose if it is a 250 watts motor or 500 or 1000 or 2000, it varies the power consumption usage. So if you compare that also, more than 10 times or 20 times our pocket is saved if you compare with fuel with alternate energy. And alternative energy, we have a lot of sources like solar, wind, and other things. Energy storage for batteries is a major role now. So charging time also one of the role, swappable models one of the role, and technology transfer is one of the role where things are going on now. But if you take charging stations, Government of India has initiated to provide this charging infrastructure to every nook and corner of India. So recently, Niti Aayog also passed rule, all infrastructure given by buildings or apartments, they should be provided with charging stations compulsorily. And Government of India employees also should be used these electrical vehicles. Now recently we got approval and empanelment for Andhra Pradesh government of 1 lakh vehicles. And it's a good opportunity for me to have this usage of electrical vehicles for government employees. So the time has come, and Telangana government also is working on this government employees to use these electrical vehicles. Already they have taken four-wheelers from different companies, and two-wheelers also they are initiating now. So whoever comes now is a good chance and good opportunity for this business in electrical vehicles. Coming to my organization, Ask Us How to Go Green, is we don't want to say that ask us how to go green. So we want to say you come us, join us, and we'll work together. And we have worked with various organizations, institutions, as with technology, charging infrastructure. Also, we have worked live. We have experienced a lot of things. But the thing is, people should come forward. Everything I can't do. So if somebody wants to do, I can support. So a lot of technologies has been changed in batteries also. Major roles in Exide, Amar Raja, they also failed some time back for this battery system. They also depend on international. Why I don't know. Why? Because technology starts from our house, as I said. Applications are there, various level in batteries also. You can go for communication and then so manufacturing also, equipment usage also, traffic wise, if you see, very usage is there. And
వెంకటేష్ గారు స్లైడ్ మోడ్ పెడతారా, కొంచెం పెద్ద కనపడుతుంది స్లైడ్ మోడ్.
okay. Sorry.
ఓకే సార్, గుడ్ గుడ్.
Sorry. Even we have developed some drones also recently. Now government also recently sanctioned 150 crores for drones also. And it's a good business opportunity for drones also. I have developed one drone for usage of training also, and also pick and drop of the material or any deliveries like that. Even four-seater flight also for training, and also we are looking for the approval to get it done. And only small stage we have. So in industries also, electric fork kit, golf cart, electric wheelchair, sanitation car, these are some of the models nowadays using in different fields. So we have one mobile charging point or charging station or generator model we have designed in 2010 only, but usage is not coming more. And electric buses make economic sense. In 2016, one article, after 2025, all electrical vehicles will be coming. So coming to this bus also, some government is not purchasing, but they are taking PPP, public-private partnership. And some of the vehicles in AP, Telangana and other states, lot of them are using from state government. And central government also supporting for subsidy also. And in 2015 and 2016 also we have given some vehicles for government, and but initiation is not going good. And in Charman also I suggested them to have these electrical vehicles. We have presented but not even done. And different corporates also been coming forward to have these opportunities now. They are understanding each other because of government initiative to give subsidies. So we have some carbon footprints also in this. This also one good division who can work on this. And charging points are the major role, what I said now. So charging infrastructure now I am going for every kirana shop and also medical shop and everywhere parking areas, wherever it is available. Anybody interested to this field or anybody having place in highways from 1 acre to 10 acres. Recently, the Prime Minister of India office also, they accepted this proposal to have to submit this my proposal. I am trying to make all farmers or whoever having highways land, I can give good proposal. How means we will be having charging station infrastructure with showrooms also. We can have two-wheeler or three-wheeler of electrical vehicles. Other vehicles also can keep various, like you have malls. Earlier, Reliance Industries, they have started with petrol bunks with food plaza. Like the same way, I am allocating some stalls to different organizations. Suppose automobile industry, they are maintaining of mechanic of two-wheeler or three-wheeler oil change. You will change the oil also there. If you have time, you can have a snacks or food court with millets. Day before yesterday, we had a good meeting in Hightex from Indian Millets Association. I have presented, they accepted. Let's millets as a caption also initiated yesterday only. And good response all over India. And Government of India also giving startups some good incentives for this millets also. And Government of India want to grow as International Year of Millets in 2023. In 2018, Government of India has been tested, diabetes has been cured from millets. So you can point note it down, this very important. Millets will help you. After 60 years, this millets now it's raising now. Earlier, only poor people used to eat the millets. Now, rich people are eating. So, I'm merging this project from this Go Green, from Green Seva Foundation and Indian Millets Association for making happen for business model also. Why? Because this business model will help for farmers also and individuals also and also nature. And one more thing, it's a dry land agriculture. It's a gluten free and also it is a health conscious and also energy food. In all ways you think this food will help. In two, you can write down one more point, this in diary, 2030, India and African countries will give cereals and millets to all over the world. So it's a challenging job. Now, if you initiate and encourage these millets also through this my charging infrastructure, my suggestion is going on. They accepted also. Some 20 applications came in highways from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Anybody, because we are not making any fixed infrastructure or fixed walls, we are making this temporary walls or temporary structures as per customer needs with charging infrastructure. So in every nook and corner, wherever place is there, we can utilize this place. It's a right time. Let us welcome individuals, corporates, or organizations who are interested. Let us start with small. Suppose some kirana shop is there. I will provide them with one charging point. They will be benefited individually also. And others also will be benefited making them usage. Because suppose one vehicle is there, you want to go for 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers. You will be afraid to taking the vehicle if it is stopped in between. So this charging infrastructure will help them to see where it is located. We are developing app also, charging app where these locations can be located. Everywhere nearest point also it will be guided. You can go there and get it charged done and you can go peacefully. Why? Because Namah Shivaya I've seen his madam also using this electrical vehicle some long back. I was happy using these electrical vehicles. Like this, lot of people are there. Ramchandra MLC, he was using 15 years back only my vehicles. 20 years back also some of them are till now using. So by seeing every individual, I'm happy that now things are moving very well. I presented in IIT Hyderabad also. They told that we will be supporting ours, but they only that professionally started. I was happy. ePluto has become success because they got investor. I never got any investor. I never presented to any investor. So that is also my mistake. I'm doing my own individually. So, but if you are interested, charging station also will help from basic level, or you are interested in electrical vehicle also welcome. I will support them with branding and OEM also. So everybody should involve with this. Then only people will come forward. Burn fat, not fuel. Why? Because if you do cycling, you will be burning your fat, not fuel. So petrol, if I say dollars are going out, so let us save our nature with usage of electrical vehicles. So we have done campaign for Hero, Mahindra in 2015-16 also. And we have a lot of features and different insurance sectors also coming forward to make, because earlier we don't have any insurance because of no registration, no license of our vehicles. Now a lot of people are coming forward. So Metro also have given a lot of suggestions. We have gone in charging infrastructure also supported us, and they told they accepted to have charging. So every metro station also can be connected with the charging point also. Anyone interested, I can give this project also with food joint as I said. So business plans are very simple and very easy. Immediately also we can start this plan, and less competition is there. If competition is also there, more technologies will come. So I was happy to have more healthy competition in this field. So that's why I'm ask us how to go green. So financially also governments, banks, banking sector also supporting this business infrastructure. So today only just think of it to use our electrical vehicles. It may be two-wheeler, it may be three-wheeler. Or you can start with cycle also. If you have a cycle, I will guide you to build your own electric cycle also. Because it is very easy. You will be having BLDC motor, that is brushless DC motor, in which it will consume very less power by using of lithium batteries. Nowadays it is available. Earlier we used to have lead acid. So lot of problems we faced. So this is one of the model two-wheeler where we done earlier. So things are going for different activities also. And two single wheel, two wheel, three wheel. And in e-bike we have main battery, motor, controller. Just these are the three main parts, and less moving part. Only one motor is a moving part. If you take in car, there will be more than 100 moving parts. If you convert the car also, I can help you. Only one moving part will be a motor. All motor parts in there can be removed. So battery is also coming with good technologies now. So our plan for two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheeler also. And we can compare this two-wheeler and four-wheeler usage also. And very usage technologies are available. And we have 250 watts motor now. 500 watts motor is there. 600, 800, 1000, 2000, 3000. We have developed all models. More than 500 watts. We got world record also for this, making these vehicles in the world. I can greatly say that we are from Hyderabad and making to give awareness all over the world to make this initiative. So if you also start, we'll grow each other. Modi also launched our vehicle in Varanasi. Nitin Gadkar also give an initiative more in electrical vehicles. We have two-wheeler, three-wheeler, food cart also. I can give customized solutions for any business model. You name the business, I can guide the business also, if anybody is interested. That way also I can guide. This is a Tesla car which I have driven in Delhi. Tesla is also growing well in the world. It's the #1 car in the world. So you can see the compare and have usage of these technologies. Now in India also is coming soon. And some of the vehicles came. We have presence all over India and other countries also. So we have good environmental support. So let us plan trees also. We have good charging stations with corporate social responsibility also. Somebody is there in CSR, want to have good idea, I can guide them. They can have charging infrastructure with CSR activity. Now in metro station, ONGC, Indian Oil Corporation, IOCL, and also HPCL for CSR activity, they have installed this charging infra, and anybody who is interested, I can guide them, get their money back through CSR. Suppose I am speaking with ICICI Bank, we are making women entrepreneurs to recycle their batteries of lead acid, like UPS they have. Anybody interested in this recycling of batteries also, we are giving 10 years warranty of their own batteries if they purchase from anywhere. Why? Because we have technology, first time in the world, recycling of the batteries also from Green Seva activity we are doing. And they will be funding only CSR fund. Again, we will be helping them restore their batteries through this women empowerment. This is one of the innovative idea in the world. So anybody is having NGOs or institutions or banking sector or UPS, batteries usage in high level or battery connections or charging infrastructure also can interlink with this. Now I am suggesting now lead acid also. Why? Because I have recycled batteries technology or refurbishment or regenerative system technologies I have now. So if anybody wants, I can make them live also. This is also one of the alternate business where who is interested, we can work on this. Because suppose if you throw away lithium batteries, there is less recycling material are there. Whereas if you use lead acid, there is a more usage raw material recycle done. So if you compare with lithium ion batteries or lead acid batteries, I can assure you that lead acid will be more profitable for Indian standards. Why? Because now, latestly, we can recycle the batteries usage back to the nature. In lithium less, You should see computers also, Xerox machines also. Lot of dump is done in India. Nobody thinks of it. Everybody will get this. Even iPhones also gets recycled. Nokia phones also get recycled phones to India. They get cheaper. They sell in India. They will be spoiling the nature in India. But if you compare in other countries, they are thinking more on technology and recycling also. So we have done some institute, solar and electric also. Some things are going well. We have also business hub also, different models. Comparison with electric and diesel car, solar bike. Solar also is the next generation. Kusim has been initiated by Government of India. If you are thinking about solar charging station, also one of the part, farmers you now getting about 60% of the margin from the central government, and state government from bankers they will be providing 30%, and 10% will be used by the farmer. These are the one of the good scheme coming from Government of India. Let us utilize this opportunity also. Anybody interested this point also, I can guide them with solar charging infrastructure in which I suggested now in highways. And we have good technology support apps going on. Anybody want to have joined with the technology support as a joint venture, as an investor, also I welcome. And I'm closing this point for PowerPoint for charging and electrical vehicles. One more point, I can say that charging infrastructure will be the major role, as I said, and we started our group, my father in 1965, Vasavi Group. Through this charging station, I can assure you that it's a new business where everybody can join this one. And there is no technical knowledge required. Everybody can utilize this business opportunity. And we have charging fuel stations, we have electrical and renewable energy in solar also, lithium batteries are there, electrical vehicles are there. And one more major business opportunity is retrofitting. Retrofitting for every vehicle. You can take cycle, two-wheeler petrol, three-wheeler petrol, diesel, auto, car, bus, anything we can convert. Everything we have done. That also one of the good business opportunity. On this also in highways, as I suggested, this also can be implemented for making this Active Honda or Hero Honda converted, or Maruti car converted, Swift car converted, Hyundai car converted also can done. Why? Because there is no technical expertise required, assured and secured income, and long-term business opportunity, and highest return on investment, and we are giving complete training and support, and highest demanded product, and these are all green income. So my idea is to have business opportunity in every 3 kilometers. So it's a big boom business offer I can suggest, and you are all welcome to this Vasavi Business Group or Green Seva Foundation or Indian Millets Association, different organization I can have. So we have good training things done, and it is easy also to learn. So if you have any chance, anytime we will meet also. And recently I floated company called Dharini Thamara Motors Private Limited. Earlier it was only proprietor. As I said, I was working singly and different organizations. And this technology also, now we are manufacturing our own batteries. And it's a very easy task. And everybody can understand easily after seeing this one. Because this manufacturing process is very simple, testing process also very simple. And every nook and corner of the technology, lithium batteries are now considering. In even UPS, solar charging, solar infrastructure also, people are suggesting this. And we can replace the generators also. And one more idea we have, like energy storage device also. That also will be supported with these batteries. And we have good BMS technology. We have different cells usage. I think I'm a fast.
Yes, sir.
Any questions can be raised. Lot of things are there. It's an ocean with me.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yeah. Please introduce yourself and ask the question.
Yes, sir. This is Professor Aisha Hina from KBN College of Engineering, now KBN University, Kalburgi, Karnataka. Sir,
KBN.
KBN, yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
my question is regarding electric charging stations, that is either for vehicles, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, or four-wheelers. So, as like, can we have a point like so as a startup? Can we have one
Yeah,
single?
you can.
station? Yes, sir.
You can join us. A lot of
Yes.
incentives are there for startups. Government of India is encouraging this charging infrastructure also.
No, sir. My question is, can we have at one single point that is the energy storage system?
Yeah,
where
yeah.
we have- Yes.
Now I
Yes.
told you, no, if you have land in highway, this is my just suggestion.
Ah,
You take 1 acre or 10 acres. Okay, this will.
so can we have a provision to get some amount for purchasing land also, so that we can
Yeah,
have a
we will discuss
energy
that.
storage
Case to case,
system?
it may vary. It depends upon the profile. It depends upon the banker. Depends upon the project also.
Why? Because, sir, yeah, as you must be, you are so expert, so you may be better telling me. Like, you are having smart multiple chargers, sir.
Yeah,
Why?
we have.
Sir, why? Because two-wheelers may require different type of connectors. Four-wheelers may require different type of connectors. Three-wheelers will require.
Now,
So,
from
yes, sir.
REC Bhalki, that is earlier, now
Huh.
it is Bhalki. We are providing with the total in-house implementation now. Recently, they came, and Bhimana Kandri was a transport minister, and his son Ishwar Kandri is a chairman of the college also, transport minister, and All India, state Congress president also. They
Yes,
suggested from 10 years, they're asking me. I'm a student of them, alumni also, and they
so
request a
nice,
lot of
nice.
times. Now they are establishing starting of electrical vehicle with charging infrastructure also. Like
Nice
this, all
meeting you, sir.
colleges
I'm
can be
also
also
pursuing my
created,
research
initiated.
from. Nice meeting you, sir, as an alumni, because I'm also pursuing my research at BKIT Bhalki only.
Oh,
But
very
my
good.
research area is different, sir. That is a different thing. Now I was sitting for this webinar and I got certain it got clicked like, can we have such a thing where we can have a factory which is manufacturing different type of
Yeah,
chargers?
it is.
Can we have
I
something
can.
like universal chargers or universal connectors?
Yeah, now I'm providing an energy storage device, swappable batteries. If you make a call, now food is coming to your door. If you
Yes,
make a
sir.
call, battery is coming. First time in the world, we are implementing that one.
Sir, but I feel like still one more decade is required for all these things to get
Nothing.
actually.
You start. In Gulbarga. No, you start
Yes, sir.
Gulbarga. I'll make you flourish. You now only.
Sir, can I get your contact number, sir? Because I want to talk
Yes, Namah Shiva is
about all
having.
these.
I will
Yes,
text also if you want.
Yes.
9912
9912
77
77
2635.
2635, sir.
Yeah, you can see on the screen. Can you see? This we
Right, sir.
developed in
Right,
10 years back only. This Copan.
right, sir. Okay. Sir, because basically I am from electronics and communication engineering. So when I saw this webinar, I just got like, can we have such things? Because
No, it's
expert is required.
easy. Nothing impossible. Everything is possible. You take help of everybody. Everybody will help you now. They also want ideas. If you all join each everything goes.
Sir, in Karnataka also we are having many other VGST, like sort of so many programs are there for women, particularly women empowerment.
I'm
So
telling you,
please help me out in
just
something
now
where
I
we
told
can start
millets.
up. Yes, sir.
Millets has been selected for me from Government of India, Indian Millets Association. I have given lot of technologies in millets. My mother, my father, they know very well about millets. I learned something about millets also. My brother is innovator of Jawari roti machines. He's also
Oh,
expert. He's also awardee, international awardee. Why? Because this gluten-free food is now very much important. And if you have charging station, food is major role playing for food plaza. And why?
oh,
Because I'm interlinking, it will be clicking the showroom, charging section, and also energy storage device and land from the farmer, and also nature, and also the farmer will produce this material, raw material, that is dry land agriculture. If water is also not there, this, you are from Maharashtra. I used to get rotis from Maharashtra and Karnataka to my house in those days.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, please guide me so that I can come up with something innovative or something good and something helpful for the society also.
You WhatsApp me. My number is no. I will guide you. No problem. You
Thank
can
you, sir.
start
Thank you
initiative.
so
You
much.
register yourself with the government and take initiative. Everything is possible. Nothing is impossible.
Thank
You
you so
start
much.
from
Sir.
scratch. You start
Thank you
your
so much.
charging point. You first purchase one vehicle. My suggestion. You
Okay,
use your vehicle. What will happen? You'll say, if you want dealership, I'll give dealership also. If you want to assemble your brand also, I can give branding also. Anything is possible.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I
I'll
have
talk to
given
you in
lot of
detail.
I even given to Hero company. Hero is not a big company, I can say. They have funds. They are playing games. Nothing. It's a mafia.
Ah, right, sir. Sir, I will talk to you later and after the session also. Whenever if you have time, please do guide me. I will suggest. I need your suggestions, sir. Actually.
Sure, sure.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now you can start with women entrepreneurs in Gulbarga.
Okay, sir. Right.
Sir.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, audible, sir.
Yeah, sir. This is Chandika Mohan Babu from Bharat Institute of Engineering Technology, sir,
Yes, sir.
Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your slides were very high profile data. So we have joined. Some students have been joined from Bharat College, sir. I think the conversation of electrical vehicle was not clear. The concept was not clear, sir.
Actually, a short notice, I'm mixing my data. I was not prepared also. It was making me call. I was late. Yesterday, I was till 12 o'clock in ITech City yesterday, my program.
Okay.
2 days, 1 week, I was hectic schedule in ITechs.
Okay, sir. Sir, can we call you one guest lecture for our college, sir? It will be
Anytime, no problem, no problem.
right, sir. We'll contact you, sir.
No problem.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sir.
Sir, you can continue, sir.
Sir.
Venkatesh, you can continue, sir.
Sir, this is a Kuya Motors role model of highway charging station with windmill also, solar also. సార్ ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర గ్రూప్ లో ఎవరెవరు నాకు కొద్దిగా బ్రీఫ్ ఇస్తారా ఆ పాయింట్స్ ప్రకారంగా మాట్లాడగలుగుతాను.
The group is consisting of the various professionals in IET members, sir, and also few students.
ఎవరు క్వశ్చన్ సరిగా లేదు సార్.
హలో
నాకు క్వశ్చన్స్ కావాలి.
ఈ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కంట్రోల్ సిస్టమ్స్ అన్ని, నా పేరు నరసింహం సార్.
సార్
ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కంట్రోల్ సిస్టమ్స్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఇండిజినస్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఏమైనా ఉందా, లేకపోతే మన సిస్టమ్
అవుతుంది సార్. చేసాం సార్. మీరు వస్తే మీరు టెక్నాలజీ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందంటే చాలా టెక్నాలజీ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉంది సార్. ఇండియాకి చాలా కావాలి సార్. మనం చేస్తూనే వెళ్ళాలి సార్. సపోజ్ ఒక ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, చేస్తూనే వెళ్ళాలి సార్. అన్ని టెక్నాలజీ ఎన్నో ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్. మంచిగా మాట్లాడుతూ మంచిగా చేసుకుంటే చాలు సార్. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ నేను ఓయోలో ఎన్నోసార్లు 15 ఏళ్ళని చెప్తున్నా సార్. వాళ్ళు ఇంటర్ లేదు సార్. ఒక్కొక్కరు పడదు. జేఎన్టీ ఉన్నా సార్, వాళ్ళకి చెప్తున్నా ఇంటర్ లేదు సార్. నేను ఎందుకోసం చెప్తున్నాను నాకే తెలియదు, కానీ నా నోట్లకి చేసే శబ్దాలు వెళ్తే వాళ్ళు వినరు సార్. కానీ
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఆజాదీ కా అమృత్ మహోత్సవ్ అని, మేక్ ఇన్ ఇండియా అని, మేడ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా అని, మనకి ఈ ఆత్మ నిర్భర్ ప్యాకేజ్ అని చాలా స్కీమ్స్ వచ్చాయి సార్ సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ దగ్గర నుంచి.
అవును సార్.
ఇవి మీలాంటి వాళ్ళు గైడెన్స్ లో మనం ఇండిజినస్ డెవలప్మెంట్ కి ప్లాన్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది సార్.
సార్ నేను ఈవీ అబ్బాని గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాకి ఇచ్చాను, తెలంగాణకి ఇచ్చాను. 100 acres ల్యాండ్ అలొకేషన్ చేయమన్నాను. అందులో ఒక ఐఏఎస్ ఆఫీసర్ రిటైర్డ్ వాళ్ళని పెట్టామని చెప్పాను. ఇంతవరకు ఏం జరగట్లేదు సార్. 15 ఏళ్ళని చదువుతున్నా సార్. నా కళ
కానీ
హైదరాబాద్ లో తయారు కావాలి సార్. ఒక నట్టు తెచ్చుకోవాలనే బోల్డ్ చీటింగ్ సార్. తెలిసినోడు చీటింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్. నాకు పెయింట్ వేస్తాడు, చీటింగ్ చేస్తారు సార్. అందరు చీటింగ్ చేస్తారు సార్. ఒక్కడు కాదు సార్. ఎవరు
రావడం అనేది ఒక అదృష్టం. ఇండిజినస్ డెవలప్మెంట్ మన మేడ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ లో చక్కగా
మీరు నమశివాయ సార్ని ముందు పెట్టుకొని మొత్తం ఒక టీం అవ్వండి సార్. నేను ఉండే డిడి కాలనీ దగ్గర ఉంటాను. ఒక్కసారి కూర్చొని ఐఐటికి రండి, అందరం కూర్చొని
షూర్ సార్, తప్పకుండా సార్.
నేను 15 years 20 years బ్యాక్ సోలార్ ప్యానల్ తీసుకొని వచ్చా, సోలార్ చేంజ్ చేస్తాను, మళ్ళీ అక్కడ కూడా నాకు ఎంకరేజ్ చేయలేదు.
అయ్యో.
ఐఈటీఏ చెప్తున్నాను.
చూద్దామండి. అలాగే ఇప్పుడున్న కమిటీ చాలా డైనమిక్ కమిటీ సార్, ఐఐటి కమిటీ.
పర్లేదు, నేను కమిటీ గురించి చెప్పాను, కానీ నాకు సజెషన్ ఎందుకంటే ఉన్నది చెప్తున్నాను. మనం మంచి చేద్దామంటారు సార్.
అవునవును.
మీరు ఓకే అంటే చెప్పండి సార్, ఐఈటి నుంచి ఒక బిడ్డ పుట్టిస్తాం, ఒక చిన్న 2-wheeler గంట సేపట్లో బ్రాండ్ ఇస్తాను.
ఓకే ఓకే.
ఐఐటి కూడా ఇన్కమ్ వచ్చినట్టు చేస్తారు సార్. ఒక ఆర్గనైజేషన్ మన కంట్రోల్ ఉందంటే మనం ఏమైనా చేయగలుగుతాం సార్, అందరినీ ఇన్వాల్వ్ చేద్దాం ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా.
అవును సార్, అవునవును.
నా సజెషన్ ఇది. ఏమైనా ఉంటే సాధక బాధకాలు అటెండ్ అవుదాం, ప్రయత్నం లోపం ఉండదు సార్. ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్కి రాద్దాం సార్, ఒక ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ రాస్తుందంటే వాళ్ళకు కూడా స్పందిస్తారు కదా సార్.
అవునవును సార్, అవును, కరెక్ట్.
స్ట్రాంగ్ గా తీసుకుందాం. కంప్యూటర్ సొసైటీ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఇట్లాంటి పెద్ద పెద్ద ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్, ఐఐటి లాంటి IEEE మ్యాగజైన్స్ ఎన్నో ఉన్నాయి సార్. టెక్నాలజీ ఉంటే పేపర్ మీద ఉన్నాయి సార్, ఎవడేం చేస్తున్నాడు సార్. ఎన్నో ప్రాజెక్టులు చేస్తుంది. నేను ఏమన్నా సార్, ప్రాజెక్టులు అన్నీ ఉంటాయి యూజీసీ లెవెల్లో, టెక్నాలజీ చూస్తారు, కంపేర్ చేయొద్దు, ఆన్లైన్ పెడుతూ కాపీ కొట్టద్దు, అన్ని కట్ అండ్ పేస్టే. ఎందుకు సార్ మనం రియల్ గా చేయొద్దు? వచ్చిన ప్రాజెక్టులు నేనేమన్నాను, ఒక దగ్గర పెడదాం, వేదిక చేద్దాం, ఒక గ్రౌండ్ లో పెడతాం. ఎవరెవరు టెక్నాలజీ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఎవరెవరు యూజ్ చేయట్లేదు, అది గట్టిగా మాట్లాడారు సార్. ఐఐటిలో ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏం చేసి ఒక ప్రొఫెసర్ వాళ్ళే సొంతంగా స్టార్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు, అంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా మనకు సపోర్ట్ చేసి వాళ్ళే సొంతంగా స్టార్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు. అది ఎవరికైనా సాధ్యమే సార్, సాధ్యం అనేది ఏం లేదు.
వెంకటేశం గారు, నా పేరు వెంకటేశ్వర్ అండి
సార్.
మీరు చాలా సీరియస్ గా ట్రై చేస్తే ఎందుకు జరగలేదు, ఎలాంటి అడ్డంకులు ఎదుర్కొన్నారు, ఇది చెప్పగలరా?
సీరియస్ గా చాలా ఉన్నాయి సార్ నా దగ్గర, మల్టిపుల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ మై డ్రాబ్యాక్, ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్.
No. If you have tried so seriously with all the required information as per the government norms, why you did? What is the kind of hurdles you faced, and why you did not get what you want? Is it possible to tell about it?
Yes sir, చెప్పాను కదా, స్కీమ్స్, సబ్సిడీస్ ఎవరికి ఇస్తారు? మాఫియాకి ఇస్తారు.
Sir, world will not be one-sided coin. There will be always two sides.
అందుకే చెప్తున్నా, వాళ్ళు టర్నోవర్ చూస్తారు. వినండి, టర్నోవర్ ఉందని చెప్పలేదు.
If there is one side mafia, there will be the other side that is good also. I think government will not be one-sided.
దట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ. అందుకోసం ఏమంటారు సార్, నేను స్టార్ట్అప్స్ ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే మంచిది. అందుకోసం గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, దే సజెస్టెడ్ us, they selected our vehicle, they accepted for empanel of 1 lakh vehicles for government of Andhra Pradesh employees. Now I am looking for dealership network in Andhra Pradesh. They have kept a condition, every district you should have one dealer. Now Telangana also I am looking, the government also asking us to establish immediately. Now time has come to me. Why? Because I am working different. I am not dependent on only one model, sir. I have done I learned a lot of things. My idea is different.
Okay, the visuals are looking good.
This is a charging infrastructure, swappable model, sir. Now recently government Make in India suggestion this one for electrical vehicles. If you have place, parking space, you can generate good income, sir. That is my idea. Petrol was electric. Pollution free, national savings also you have, pocket savings also. It's time to switch to electrical vehicles, my suggestion. So our batteries are now with lithium with long life. You can save yearly 25,000 to 1 lakh also if possible for more usage, noise, free riding, no license required, zero pollution, maintenance free. I have totally advanced technology vehicles sir now.
Are you saying that you have your own two-wheeler design for this?
I can't say my own two-wheeler design. I have job was going on doing. So if you see this SESPA model, lot of companies come. Molding, I'm getting the molding. My vehicle, slow speed vehicle is tested by RI, Automotive Research Authority of Pune. There are some testing agencies, they test it. E-rickshaw can see lot of computers, same model. Cycles also can see same model. Auto also you can see same model. Model is not important, sir. Usage is important. My intention. Any questions, sir?
Yeah. Government is also promoting EV. No, now I think usage should not be a problem.
Yeah.
So shall I ask some doubt?
Yeah.
These electrical cars and vehicles are truly pollution free as compared to our normal vehicles, fuel vehicles?
100% pollution free.
Okay.
There is no moving part, first point. Only one moving part is motor, BLDC motor. Okay, sir.
Sir, good afternoon. Good morning, sir, once again.
Yeah.
Sir, suppose a first year student is there, sir. So, what you are going to give inputs in terms of electrical vehicle? అంటే electrical vehicle కి కావాల్సిన మేజర్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఏంటి?
ఏం లేదు సార్, మోటార్, కంట్రోల్, థ్రాటిల్. ఒక సైకిల్ తెచ్చుకోమనండి, సైకిల్ని ఫిట్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి, ఆయనే సొంతంగా ఎలక్ట్రిక్ సైకిల్ చేయగలుగుతాడు.
అంటే ఏంటి ఆ స్పెసిఫిక్ పార్ట్స్ చెప్పగలుగుతారా?
అన్ని చెప్తాను సార్, మీకు అన్ని ఇస్తాను. పార్ట్స్ కిట్ ఇస్తాను మొత్తం.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు థర్డ్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఇంటర్న్షిప్స్ అవి ఉంటాయి సార్?
చేసుకో సార్, నేను చెప్పాను కదా సార్, కొన్ని పెద్ద పెద్ద ఫ్యాక్టరీలలో కొంతమంది ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది, చిన్న దాంట్లో రారు, వాళ్ళకి చేసుకోవాలంటే అక్కడ కూడా వెళ్ళొచ్చు. మా దగ్గరకు వస్తా అంటే గైడ్ చేస్తాము, అట్లేం లేదు.
ఓకే. మీరు చార్జ్ చేస్తారా సార్ దానికి?
ఇప్పటివరకు అయితే ఏం చార్జ్ చేయలేదు సార్.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకేనా సార్? ఇంకా టైం ఉందా మాకు?
ఓకే సార్. ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్. సీతారాం సార్.
సార్ చెప్పండి. నమస్తే గారు లేరా?
ఓకే సార్. నమస్తే సార్.
సార్
సెషన్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది సార్. ఒకసారి సార్ అడుగుతున్నాను.
వెంకటేష్ గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ ఫర్ యువర్ నైస్ వెబినార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
అండ్ డెఫినెట్లీ వన్స్ ఇన్ విజిట్ టు ఐఈటి
సార్ చేద్దాం సార్. చేద్దాం సార్. ఛార్జింగ్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ ఫస్ట్ పెడదాం
సార్. once if possible you can display one cycle or rickshaw or something.
Yeah, everything,
on 11th October sir. 11th October is IET Foundation Day.
11th October sir.
And, yeah, 10th we are celebrating 10th Sunday.
Okay.
And also November 2nd is our IET Headquarters Foundation Day, and 31st we are celebrating. That day also you can display your any vehicles or anything is there possible.
Sir.
I think you know the premises of IET, na?
అవును సార్, తెలుసు సార్.
Jami Osmani Road.
అవును సార్, అవును సార్.
Yeah, we'll work out sir once we can sit our along with
10-15 years బ్యాక్ వచ్చానని చెప్పాను కదా సార్. మంచిగా ఎంకరేజ్ చేశారు సార్, అప్పుడు అది మధ్యలో ఆగిపోయింది సబ్జెక్ట్ అది. ఓకే సార్.
Okay sir. Anybody having any questions? So as our speaker today suggested, so definitely you can go for e-vehicles. Still of course so many people they're hesitated to have the e-vehicles.
Sir, if anybody interested, they are financially good, you can start charging station infrastructure, rental model, anything they want.
But still sir, still I don't know, still the people are hesitating. They're away from the vehicles, even the scooters also still they are not using, and of course definitely they'll switch over. The next 1 year we can see a lot of changes.
The short distance I can suggest blindly go for short distance electric vehicle, short distance.
Yeah, as I said, actually, I purchased a Reva car, which is electric vehicle in 2005.
Yes, sir. I was
And
happy seeing
continuously,
your Reva car that day.
yeah, around 8.5 years I used the car, but still I didn't face any troubles. But why I sold means because the models are changing. That's all, nothing else.
Yeah.
Then still afterwards again I took a e-bike. Still I'm using the e-bike. I didn't face any problems. But still the people are hesitating to use. But of course, as you told, that is e-cycles and e-scooters, very well you can use it. But only the problem is to go long journey. That's all. And as you told, the battery, still the technology is not improved to release a very high quality batteries. Only these two, I think. And at the same time, of course, our government is not supporting Telangana, comparing with Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and other states actually. Because when I want to took again ETO vehicle of Mahindra, and there is no subsidy in the Telangana government, and lot of subsidies given in Karnataka. And still the government should give more and more encouragement. And of course, and central government already now it is released a loan also, subsidy, income tax rebate they are given for the loans also. Let us see, sir. I will get a good days definitely. As far as the Modi is not decreasing the petrol and diesel price, and also it doesn't take into the GST, it is better to once this type of thing is there, and definitely there is a lot of market for the vehicles. So I pray they should not come very far to GST thing. Then only the people will realize and they will go for these e-vehicles. Thank you so much, sir. And I request Sitaram Babu garu, please propose the vote of thanks. And I request all of you, please, feedback link for feedback form already I shared, and please fill it to get the certificates.
Sir, thank you, Namashivaya Garu. I think it's a new subject, sir. I think we need to learn and know new things. As technology is changing, our mindset also should need to change, because the speaker and Namashivaya also substantiated it, that we need to look forward to the non-petrol vehicles. I think that the era has come now for us to change also, to have our mobility through the electric mode of transport. I think it's a good subject, sir. Moving forward, IIT would also come up with some innovative ways of improvising the knowledge of all the fraternity and the student life members. I thank various big personalities who are part of this webinar: Veerbhadra Rao Garu, Sairam Garu, P.N. Rao, Vasudeva Murthy, Chandika Mohan Babu from Bharat College. I think he has said that he has many students are part of it. Would also appreciate some more and more students join, because the new technology, and I think probably students would benefit a lot out of this subject. We should also thank
you, sir.
Christopher John, Narsimham, and P.P. Rao, O.P. Venkateshwar. I think many more big people are also there, and I should also thank Namashivaya Garu for coming up with a new innovative topic in the webinar session with a short notice. We should also thank P. Venkateshan Garu for having come forward with is what you call the research that he has done for last 15-20 years. He could be able to display it and motivate some students also to come forward and have some sort of entrepreneurship or the qualities that they come up with new ways of energizing the society. I thank one and all for having part of this event. We again meet next week, next time, same time, and have a wonderful week to come. And people will go forward and give the feedback. Thank you.
Venkatesh Garu is actually, as a secretary, just I'm telling, we are ready to give the space in IETE to propose one solar charging point, sir.
Okay, sir.
If the
students cheyisam sir akkada
solar charging station, let us have in this, because we have a good premises and front side we can have the provision, and I don't know what is the cost implications if it is allows, because
సార్ మీరు చేస్తారంటే 100 మంది మీకు సిఎస్ఆర్ యాక్టివిటీకి ఛార్జింగ్ పాయింట్ వస్తుంది, బ్రాండింగ్ చేస్తాం సార్, రోడ్డు మీద పెడతాం, అందరికి యూజ్ వాళ్ళు. ఐఐటి వాళ్ళు ఫస్ట్ టైం
actually in Jabios Mane road, and the vehicle input and output also very easy, sir, to go. And let us have one solar charging point for the bike and as well as the car. Let us see.
Live ఉంటుంది సార్, స్టూడెంట్స్ నేర్చుకుంటారు వాళ్ళు.
But only the thing is the IET is in very poor condition, sir. The financially
సార్ అన్ని ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ అయిపోయింది సార్. అన్ని ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ లో మీకు చెప్పని గుర్తుందో లేదో, మీ కాలేజ్ కూడా ఎంబీఎస్ సార్ కూడా నేను ఏమన్నాను, ఒక స్పోర్ట్స్ సైకిల్ పెట్టండి, నేర్పియండి, సైకిల్ అసెంబ్లీ చేయించండి అని ఇప్పుడు 4-5 years అయింది అనుకుంటే చెప్పుడా. మీరు వాళ్ళకి నాలెడ్జ్ వస్తుంది సార్, ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పెరుగుతుంది వాళ్ళకే.
Sir, from Bharat College, we'll try to take the proposal, sir. We'll talk to our chairman, sir, and put the proposal to you, sir.
ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ ఎవరికి ఇవ్వట్లేదు సార్, మీ కాలేజ్ లోనే పెడుతున్నారు, మీకే ఉంటది అది.
And if possible, we will conduct one workshop, sir, at IIT from students, because October or November, the October is busy with the exams, and once they are finished, we have a physical workshop at IIT for the students' purpose.
Namaskar, good thoughts, sir. I think we'll sit forward, sit as a committee and then decide what best could be done, and take his services for betterment of the society, for also IET, and also it should be a win-win situation, sir, because we look at more students.
Yes, sir. Some activity should be there in IET so that we can have some charging point, solar charging point.
No, more than that, sir, internships also. We could look for internships, and many students are coming forward, sir. So I think electrical is the, what do you call, the future of it. I think it's one important topic. I think most of the students would be interested to be part of it.
Definitely, sir. I think definitely, because once the Ola, so many companies that came into the business, by next year we can see so many vehicles on the roads. 100%.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. But we'll go back to him, sir. We'll go back to him. What best to be done, we'll do, sir. We'll do it, sir. Some memorandum of understanding we'll have with him, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir, Venkateshwar. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Good day, sir. Go green.
Good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Let's.
Good day to all, sir. Sir, Chandika Mohan Babu garu మీరు పంపించాలి సార్, పంపించారా?
పంపిస్తాను సార్, పంపిస్తాను అది.
Please.
Definitely, sir. Thank you.
Please, sir. Good day.
Good day, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.